Hey traders, what to expect from gold next year? In this video we'll analyze the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, we will analyze the price action of the year, the structure, and I will give you my predictions and scenarios for next year. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, so I want to start with the monthly time frame, and here we see the price action from 2007. And what is important for us to realize is that the market is trading in a global bullish trend. And recently the price set a new all-time structure high right here. Yes, around 2079 level is our current all-time structure high. And from that all-time structure high we started a correctional movement, a correction cycle. And look what happened in the past. In the past, when the market set the previous all-time structure high, look at this correction cycle. Look how long it was. And look at the same time how similar they are. Yes, I am showing you that because we must admit that history tends to repeat itself. And over time, we see the same patterns. And it looks like the market is currently forming the same pattern. And by the way, traders, I want to tell you that I'm very bullish biased on gold, yes, and I personally buy gold on my investing account, so I want it to grow. But at the same time, you can see that we have very peculiar warning signs right here. So just analyzing the weekly time frame, I want you to be prepared for a very long-lasting correctional movement. So the market can easily lose around 30 to 40% of its value. Hey traders, don't miss the big Christmas sale on my premium educational group. Until New Year, you can get a lifetime access to the group with a 40% discount. If you want to see how I trade gold live, if you want to see how I analyze gold live, it will be the best place for you to be. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group, the link in the description below, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. Don't miss your chance. So, what are the key levels for us to watch on a monthly time frame? Here I wanted to show you this major trend line. Yes, here it goes. It is a very strong rising trend line, respected 3 times in the past, yes, and in case if next year we see the market crash, the market fall, that will be the structure for you to watch. Moreover, that structure kind of matches with this horizontal demand cluster here on the left. You can see that here we have a very peculiar zone of confluence. So next year, just in case if we see the market crash, just in case if the crisis starts, then most likely we will see a bullish movement, the bullish trend continuation only from that zone, only from that area. And now we are in a weekly time frame. And in a weekly time frame, we see that during the last 2 years, the market is trading in a bearish trend. Yes, you can see that once that all-time structure high was reached, the market started to trade in a bearish trend. We retraced, and here we set a lower low. Then we retraced and set the lower high. Then we dropped and set a new lower low, lower close. Yes, you can see that the market is steadily falling. And this year, from March, the market started to trade in sideways. Yes, we started to coil. In analyzing the price action here on the weekly time frame, I spotted the signs of a bearish accumulation. Yes, it looks like the market here is forming a classic bearish accumulation pattern. Let me show you this pattern. Here we have this horizontal support, this horizontal key level. And look what is peculiar about this horizontal key level. What is peculiar about that is the fact that based on that key level, the price set 2 equal lows. You can see that 2 times in a row, this horizontal structure support was respected, and 2 times in a row, the market nicely bounced from that support. At the same time, if we take that point and draw a trend line, you can see that the market here sets the low highs. Yes, we see multiple low highs. So let's conclude. The market here sets the equal lows, and at the same time it sets the low highs. That is what we call the bearish accumulation. The market here is forming the descending triangle formation. And what we know about this pattern? It is the bearish bias pattern, and with a very high probability, at some moment we may expect right here a breakout attempt of its horizontal support. So remember, while the market is trading within the triangle, we are just mentally preparing ourselves for a bearish movement. But the trigger that we are looking for is the violation of the support of the triangle to the downside. Yes, in case if the price closes below the support of the triangle in the weekly, if we see the weekly candle close below, it will be a very strong bearish continuation. Many traders will be stopped out. Yes, many traders will start selling. Big players will start selling, and it will initiate a very strong bearish rally to lower structure levels. And then where we will most likely go? We will go to the next key structure, and most likely we will go to our zone of demand that we spotted on the monthly time frame. Yes, and we just little bit, now we will just little bit enlarge the zone that we spotted in the monthly. We will consider that structure here as well, so that will be our major global zone of demand. And to that point, this bearish rally will be expected. And from that demand zone, a bullish rally will be expected. But also, let's discuss a bullish scenario. Yes, for now, we discussed the bearish scenario for next year, but also there is a potential bullish one. Let's discuss it. So we are still on a weekly time frame, and what I did, I simply took away all the arrows from the chart. And for now, I gave you a very pessimistic scenario, the bearish one, but bullish one is possible as well. Remember that while the market is trading within the triangle, of course chances are higher that the market will occasionally drop, but bullish scenario is still possible, yes? So what do we need for a bullish continuation? We need the bullish violation of the resistance of the triangle to the upside. Yes, we need the bullish violation of that falling trend line. We need at least a weekly candle close above that, and once the breakout is confirmed, we will expect a bullish continuation to retest our all-time structure high. I hope that it is clear. And let me know, traders, by the way, what do you personally expect? Do you expect a bearish rally or you are bullish? Let me know in the comment section. But here is the condition that we are looking for to catch a bullish continuation. Alright traders, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and so far all my trades are closed and I am patiently waiting for the next trading year. Also traders, don't forget to check my premium educational group. It is the 40% discount, Christmas discount, don't miss it, the link in the description below. Also please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas traders!